Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Crypto.com, and more specifically, I'm going to answer a question I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you find your Crypto.com free money code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, it's going to be a really quick video, not a lot of steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. And it's all handled here through the Crypto.com app. It's this blue and white one right here. It looks like a little tiger or lion or something like that. If you don't have this app already, check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I'm going to go ahead and open the app now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Crypto.com app, and this is the home screen. It's going to show various cryptos that you might be interested in. But if you're looking for your Crypto.com free money code, what you want to do is look down here towards the bottom. There's 5 menu buttons. Usually you want to click on this home button right here in the middle, the one with a lion face. Once in a while, this pops up right here, this refer and get 25 US dollars. Sometimes it doesn't appear, so this is the easiest way to find it right here by clicking on the lion. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Next, you're going to see this drop-down menu right here, but the line you want to look for if you're looking for your Crypto.com free money code is right here called rewards. It looks like it has a little gift box next to it. I'm going to click there now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there. Now, if you're looking for your Crypto.com free money code, you want to look right here under referral bonus. And this is going to change depending on what time of the year, what country your account is set up in, and depending on what type of promotions they're running at that moment. For right now, it looks like I earn 25 US dollars for every friend that I refer. And let me click on the see details, this blue button right here. Okay, guys, I went ahead and clicked there, and this is the screen you want to be on. So if you're looking for your Crypto.com free money code, here are the terms right here. It says you can get unlimited bonuses for you and your friends. And this is kind of important. You want to pay attention to this. So if you are going to be sending your free money code from Crypto.com to your friends or family, make sure that they know that in order for you to get 25 US dollars and them to get 25 US dollars, they need to buy 2,500 CRO. So the cryptocurrency called CRO, and they need to use this app. Once that happens, then you're both going to get $25 worth of CRO. Once you have that in your account, then you kind of trade it around into some other cryptocurrency if you want, or you get a staking bonus if you keep the CRO like I did. But again, that promotion could change at any time. But what you want to do is go ahead and click on this blue button right here called Share Now. I'm going to click there now. Okay, next the screen pops up so you can go ahead and choose how you would like to share your Crypto.com free money code. For me, I usually just click this copy button. That way I can go ahead and paste it into a text message, an email, Facebook, or whatever is easy for me. So let me go ahead and copy it to my clipboard now. Okay, now I have it copied to my clipboard. So what you want to do with your Crypto.com free money code is go ahead and text it to your friends or email or make a post about it, and make sure that when the people start asking you more about it, that they know that they do need to buy 2,500 worth of CRO, at least at the time of this recording. Now, if you're wondering how much that would be, we can switch back over to the home screen. I'm going to switch there now. Okay, I went ahead and switched over, and then here is the home chart. So Crypto.com coin right here. Let me click on that price chart now. Okay, so as you can see, the Crypto.com coin is trading at about 6 cents for one. So in order to qualify for the current promo, that person needs to buy $2,500 worth. So let me see how much that will be. I'm going to click on buy CRO. Okay, I went ahead and pulled up the pricing chart. Let me go ahead and change this to 2,500. Okay, I went ahead and checked the price. So at the time of this recording, that would be around $158. So again, when you're using your Crypto.com free money code, just be aware that you need to let these people know that they need to buy at least 2,500 CRO. So that price is going to fluctuate, but right now it would be at about $158. If that's changed and you're watching this video in the future, leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know what CRO is trading at. But that's the easiest way I know how to find your free money code on Crypto.com. If you happen to know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.